Natalia, and I have this soft and slow squishy that I got from Walmart, and it's so cool. I love it.
And I got this chicken that I got from Amazon, and this lemon that I got from Amazon.
So it's like a really cool, and it's an ice cream with some blue polka dots and really fun. And it says it's really soft, and I believe that because my cinnamon bun was soft. So let's
You
open.
guys, hold on. Before you get this, always read the package. Do not eat.
Yeah, you should never eat a squishy because no.
It's gonna go down bad.
So yeah. So let's go. Oh my god, this is hard to
I
open.
don't have to eat.
Just do it a little bit and I can open the rest. Wait, I think you can find where to open it, or we need scissors. Oh yeah, that is right. Okay. Oh, got it. So I got it. Okay.
Oh, so surprising.
It's not even that soft. It's not even that soft. Wow.
It looks soft. It's so hard.
I know.
The
The
cone,
worst squishy ever.
the cone is soft, but then this is hard.
The cone is like the softest part.
Leah's was better.
We have a friend Leah at school, and
She got a bigger one and a better one.
I know. Look at this. Like
Did she get this from Walmart or did she get it from Walgreens? They're both the same.
she got it from Walmart. She got like the same thing, but it had like red polka
So
dots.
guys, I didn't tell Natalia this, but I want to do a challenge.
So go check out Forever.
Friends, that's
Yeah.
not what I was gonna do.
Okay, just go.
So the challenge is, well, since I already felt it, I didn't want to feel it, and I didn't want you to feel it, so we can't do the challenge. Because I wanted to see which one was squishier. But this one's
You don't know. We
obviously
can squish it.
This one's obviously squishy.
Ready, set. Yours is still rising.
My squishy is still rising and smooth.
So that's. And in 2 days, I'll have a squishy package. So stay tuned for that.
But it's so soft. But it's so soft.
Bye, guys.